Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So today's video, friends, let's start today's video. Denim handbags are perfect of style and comfort. Friends, and denim is strong, trendy, and goes with almost every outfit. These bags are light, easier to carry, and look good in casual friends. You can make denim handbags from all jeans. It's a great way to recycle. You just need a pair of jeans, some scissors, and a little help. You can add buttons, beads, or lace to make it look unique and stylish. Denim handbags come in many shapes, and they are perfect for school shopping or a casual day out. Denim is easy to wash